What's the difference between law enforcement and prosecution? There's a misconception that police officers work for prosecutors. That's one spot where TV actually gets it right. As you heard in Law & Order, we're part of two separate yet equally important groups: police who investigate crimes and the prosecutors who prosecute it in court. Law enforcement officers have a dangerous and varied job. It ranges from helping people in need to assisting stranded motorists to investigating criminal conduct. That last part, criminal conduct, is where their world intersects with that of the prosecutor. There's a huge role that law enforcement plays in crafting what type of charges are brought, and it's based on their investigation. Law enforcement has the obligation to collect and document and preserve evidence that is then given to the prosecutor for examination. There are other times where the prosecutor might look at the file and decide it needs to go back to the law enforcement agency for further development. Law enforcement plays a vital role in the criminal justice process, but prosecutors pick up the spot when their investigation is complete. However, it's important to note that the prosecutor is an independent body and needs to be to ensure the integrity of a prosecution.